In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude for translation. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up Claude, you want to sign into your account, and of course, start a new chat. Now, in here, you want to go and enter the chat box, and you want to tell it something along the lines, please translate this text or something similar. So, for example, please translate this into English, okay? So, of course, you could tell it what it is. So, in my case, it's going to be like a Spanish story. So, I'm just going to type in, please translate this Spanish story, okay, this Spanish story into English, okay? And then whenever you do this, you can just go ahead and provide that specific thing you want to translate. So I do have like a Spanish story over here, which ChatGPT generated for me. And then whenever you do that, just press the enter key to send it. And of course, it's going to go ahead and translate this into your desired language. So in my case, I went from Spanish to English, but I do think it supports pretty much any language, and you can get your, of course, text translated in a matter of just a few seconds. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.